Here's a video to show you how the IPC 4KLR ZBC's mount articulates. So you can actually rotate it. To do this, you have to first loosen it. There is a star-shaped hex key that comes with it. You rotate it counterclockwise. You loosen all this mechanism from the back so you have movement to twist around all of this. So essentially, when we ship it to you, it ships this way. Here you can do a 90-degree bend on it. But if you wanted to mount it, in this application, for example, that I'm doing this for, is to go up vertically. First, you need to rotate. You need to rotate this bend right here. So your camera, when you mount it, now with the hex key insert facing downwards, you can go upwards with 90 degrees. So there's a lot of room for movement. Basically, you do have a full 180 degree this way. It just depends on how you have your bullet facing on this ball joint right there. So, and then if you wanted to turn it, you basically turn this mechanism this way, turn it this way, have it going sideways if you wanted to, and then even rotate it down a little bit. So there's a lot of freedom for movement, but usually I just like to go in a 180 degree pattern. You can also rotate it to change the orientation of it. I hope you get the idea. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.